Is your Dyson V6 pulsing on and off when you try to use it? Don't worry. This just usually means there's a blockage somewhere and it's easy to fix. First, check the filter, remove it and try running the vacuum. If the pulsing stops, your filter was the problem. Replace the filter. We sell these high quality replacement filters on our website for $5 each. Link below. Step 2. If it's still pulsing, check the dustbin inlet. Sometimes dirt clogs right where the dustbin meets the vacuum body. Clear that out. Next, check the wand. Disconnect it and look through to see if there's anything stuck. A pen, a Lego piece, even hairballs can block airflow. Finally, check the cleaning head. Flip it over and look for the tangled hair, string or debris. Clean it out, reattach it and test again. So remember, if your Dyson V6 is pulsing, it means air isn't properly flowing. Work through the filter, the dustbin, and the wand and the head. Once the blockage is gone, your vacuum should work as good as new. On this channel, I share simple tips and DIY fixes for Dyson V6, from attachments to maintenance tricks. If you'd like to keep your Dyson running like new, consider subscribing for more.